Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can put an app in sleep mode. That may be Instagram app or your banking application, phone pay, or any app. You can put it in sleep mode on Android device. First of all, actually, there are two ways you can put app on sleep mode. The first thing is you need to click on Android phone settings. Okay, settings app, and here you can go to notifications. First of all, on the sleep mode you won't receive any notifications, that may be call notifications or message notification or any alerts. Okay, under the notifications, click on app notifications and choose here all apps, so that you'll find all the apps. Say for example, if it is Instagram, click on the Instagram and scroll to the bottom of the page. Then you'll find this additional settings in the app, and see here sleep mode. You can just directly turn on the sleep mode on Instagram, and you can give some start time and end time, so this works for specific time. But the problem here is the option like sleep mode is not available for every app. So I'll just quickly show you. In the same way, when I click on notifications, then click on app notification, if I check for like Gmail, if I click it for Chrome, if I click on additional settings in the app, here you won't find the same option. So here we'll use the second method. The second method is you need to click on the Android settings, then here find the battery. Okay, under battery click on the battery usage. Okay, here you can just click on the app which you want to off the background activity, and when you click on the app, when you click on don't allow here, apps will not run in the background, preserves the most battery life. This way you can actually limit the battery usage, so that this app background service or background when working will be stopped. So I'll be just keeping it to smart use again. And in another way also you can put an app in sleep. Say for example, I'll do it for WhatsApp now. Just press and hold for few seconds, then click on the info symbol at the top, and here there is an option called force stop. You can click on force stop. See here, as soon as I do that, this got grayed out, means this app won't be working in the background. So I'm clearing now. Say for example, if one of your friend message you in WhatsApp, you don't receive notifications until you open that app back again once. Then only, if I open this like once, and now if I just go to the WhatsApp and then click on info symbol, now it's again gets activated. In these few ways you can actually put an app to sleep. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.